I know some of you have plans after this, some of you don't, and some of you might feel like you're behind some curve. But it's not about that. It's not about being behind or ahead. It's about doing the right thing right now. It's about self-respect, about being your best self at all times. It's about learning from your mistakes, not just accepting them, but embracing them. Chase what you truly believe in, and always take that risk. Control what you can, let go of the rest, and don't be afraid to truly live.
Is the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Today, you're off to a great start. And seriously, we can't wait to see what comes next. I congratulate you again, and good luck, and have a successful future.
Graduates, I'm extremely proud of you as you achieve this major goal in your lives. I know that as you move forward in life, you'll be able to accomplish many great things, as have the many alumni from SUNY Canton who have preceded you. Congratulations to all today's wonderful graduates.